guys, it's your girl Celeste Renee and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another healthy grocery haul. So I just got back from the grocery store, which is why I'm doing this video, and because I haven't recorded in like forever and a day, and you know, gotta get some content popping. So just gonna get started. So today is the, I hate telling y'all the date because I'm like, if I don't upload this video for 2 weeks, like I'm gonna be looking like a slacker, but whatever. Today is December 10th and there's officially 3 more weeks until the new year. Well, I count the week that you're currently on. So if you don't count the week you're currently on, there's 2 more weeks, but today's Monday and I always start the week on Monday. So I'm saying it's 3 weeks, including this week will be the 3 weeks, but minus this week, since we're on this week, it's technically 2 weeks, but 3 weeks. So I'm going into like extreme weight loss. Get yourself together for the new year because I'm going to Vegas and I got to be snatched this new diet. It's not a diet. I don't even want to call it a diet. It's a diet because this is not no lifestyle change. Anybody got time for that? So I actually wrote the plan down up here, and I guess I could share the plan with you guys. I mean, I'm not a dietitian, not a nutritionist, a doctor, none of that. This is just what I'm doing. It's really intense, so I don't know. But I went and brought the stuff for it today. So, ooh, look at that. She's working out, y'all. So anyways, we're just about to go through the haul, show you guys what I brought, and let me just share y'all with y'all the little diet plan I'm gonna be doing. You know, gotta help my fellow YouTube viewers out. So this is what it looks like. I like writing little notes, so I write notes all the time. Okay, so ooh, not an email. Okay, so this is week 1. So I'm gonna do my intermittent fasting. I'm like all up in the camera. I'm gonna do my intermittent fasting. It's 16/8, so I fast for 16 hours and I have an 8-hour eating window. So that's first. And so I normally start at like 8. I like to start at 7 because I be getting hungry before 12. So I like to start at 8 so I can at least have the option to eat by 11. And if I'm not hungry, I can just go to 12 and this will be 17 hours. But we'll see. The way my life has been lately, y'all, she be busy and she just can't even get her life. So my first meal is gonna be 2 to 3 eggs. So I normally do 2 eggs, but since I'm like literally limiting my calorie intake so much, I'm probably gonna do 3 eggs because it makes me stay full for a while. So yeah, today I did 3 eggs and then I do a protein. So I have like these little meat, turkey meat crumbles. Let me show y'all real fast. And I think I've showed this before in a haul. I'm pretty sure I have. But these are the Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey crumbles. And it's 90 calories in half a cup. So with half a cup of this and 3 eggs, it was 300 calories. And so if I did 2 eggs, it would be 300 minus 70. She ain't good with math, but I think that's like 230. I don't know. It probably ain't. So don't quote me on that. Just do your math yourself. And so, and then next is a protein tray. Snack tray. Actually, let me show y'all this. See, this is what I've been talking about. Like, I don't even be planning to do this, and then I start doing it, and y'all think like, oh, she's so all over the place because she don't even have her stuff together. She knew she was about to record a video. I wasn't gonna show y'all this, but now I'm trying to show y'all this, and y'all probably talking about me. It's okay. So this is the protein tray. I got this container from, I love pickles. I got this container from like, child, I don't even know. I have so many containers. It's literally a joke. But so in here, it's 3 pieces of salami. Not salami. This is like, child, I don't even know. I don't want the sunflower seeds to spill so y'all can see in there. And it's normally 2 pickles, but I had ran out, so that's why I went to the store. So it's gonna be 2 pickles, 3 slices of meat. They look like this. They real good. And cheese stone and sunflower seeds because I love sunflower seeds. So that's like my snack tray. And then my last meal is gonna be a salad with the protein. So normally I've been lately obsessed with Greek salads. I make it myself. I'm not gonna show y'all the stuff, so I have to go in the refrigerator and I'm like, oh, look at her, unprepared, wants so gone. No, ma'am, y'all ain't gonna give me this time. So I normally do that. Greek salad, and I put some Caesar salad, and I put a protein, normally chicken. I mean, chicken goes good with everything, so yes. But anyways, let's get into the haul. We are now 4 minutes into this video, and y'all probably already talking about me, so let's get into the haul. So first thing we have, paper towel, not edible, so that didn't even matter. Second thing, apple cider vinegar. I had to re-up. I just went ahead and got the big one this time. This was $5.49, I think. I don't have the receipt. Oh, she does have the receipt. Because I always say the price. Y'all, I spent a total of $92.67. The devil is a lie. But I had got a lot of other stuff that's not food related. So it's not gonna cost you. It's probably gonna cost you altogether like $15 to do this diet because you ain't eating nothing. So, but the apple cider vinegar, where is it? Bragg's apple cider vinegar. It was $5.84. And the small one is like $3.84. So go ahead, get the big one. I just take a little swig of this every morning. And get your bowels moving and, you know, make you feel all good inside. Good little probiotics and stuff like that. I got me some more pickles because I love pickles. I only eat Velasquez dill pickles. So yes, she did that. And these are the cheese sticks that I had showed y'all. They're by H-E-B. It's the H-E-B brand. If you live in Texas and you don't shop at H-E-B, you are playing yourself. Like, that's all I have to say, because H-E-B, they be coming through with the comfort. This had one stick is 70 calories and no carbs. Whoop whoop. You already know I do keto, so no carbs. That is a blessing. And yeah, they real good. Real good. So that was that bag. Let's get the next bag. This one, I got some more sunflower seeds. I love sunflower seeds. Like, ranch is my favorite flavor, but I love any of them. The barbecue ones are really good too. They have some sweet and salty ones. I haven't tried them, but if you like sunflower seeds, comment below the best flavors because I just love sunflower seeds. It's so good. Okay, this is also from H-E-B. This looks like the little salami ones I showed you guys, but these ones are pepperoni. I decided to get the pepperoni because it had less calories, and this one only had 1 gram of carbs, and the salami has 2 grams per serving, but I only do 3 pieces in a whole serving. When I put it on the scale today, it was like 1.1 grams, and a whole serving is 1 ounce, which is 28 grams. So child, she ain't even close to a serving, so I'm not even worried about that. What is this in this bag? She don't know. Oh, some steak. Whew. So some days I'm gonna get sick of salad, so I had to go buy me some steak because I love me some steak. And my favorite strip, my favorite cut is the New York strip. Whoop whoop. They have this at H-E-B for $7.83 for 2 pieces, and she probably gonna eat these herself because I love me some meat. Okay. Next we have Caesar salad. It already comes in the package because she's lazy and she doesn't have time to do stuff that could already be done for you. I mean, it's 2018. So it has croutons in it. I ain't gonna lie, I do eat the croutons, but I'm gonna try not to. Actually, I'm not gonna lie to myself, I'm gonna eat them because, I mean, whatever. Altogether, it has 8 grams, the whole pack. Wait, it says 1 to 1.5 cups. And it's about 3 servings. See, this is why I don't like reading labels, because the child, she don't even know what that means. Like, okay, after reading that, I probably won't eat the croutons. But this is really good. You should definitely see the salad. This is really good. Then I got some mushrooms because a little fact about Celeste, I love mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Like, I literally just put these in my air fryer, and I got a new air fryer, y'all. Y'all can't really see it. Let me pick it up real fast. Oh, it's a big old air fryer. Shout out to my mom once again. Y'all know she always be coming through with the appliances for my apartment because I don't like spending my own coins on that. So yes, I just literally take these, take the little titty out. It's not a titty, but I don't know what it's called. The little stem, I take that out and it's just like hollow, and put it in the air fryer. And then get some Wingstop ranch dressing. Child, I will eat that and be full. Like, that is, you don't even know yourself nothing until you try that. Then I got some more spinach. This one is the spinach and baby kale. I normally take the baby spinach, but I was like, let me just add some extra greens because, you know, what's in home. Oh, I got some more chicken. Even though I have a whole bunch of chicken in my freezer, I was like, let's just, you know, spend some coins. Like, I'm just balling. So these are the chicken wings, and I like to put these in the air fryer and just let them air fry up because they be good like that. I don't know why I'm talking about the hood rat. I don't know. And then I get like the chicken wing portions when I feel like I want some like wings, like, you know, so I just put some sauces on them. I have all the H-E-B sauces. I have garlic parmesan, spicy, barbecue. Actually, let me show y'all real fast. I know I said I was gonna move away, but so let me show y'all 2 of them real fast. So this is the garlic parmesan, and this one's mango habanero, and I also have spicy. I have all the flavors because I'm just obsessed, and it's normally like buy 2 for $4, and they're really good, y'all. I don't even want to look at the calorie. Oh, this only has 1 gram of carbs. Shoot, I didn't even know it was like that, so even better. And then I got some eggs, because she gonna be eating a lot of eggs, so she brought some more eggs. I don't know why I'm talking like this, like she really needs to stop, because that's not cute. Do you guys talk in third person? I don't know why I talk about myself in third person. I really don't, but I do it a lot. And like people like ask me about it, and I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, if you're looking for a tea to drink that's really good, Tassos, I don't know how you say it, whatever, passion tea is so good, guys. I literally broiled brew I literally brew this. Okay, so I just get some hot water, put the thing in, but I drink it by itself, no sugar, no nothing, because it's so good. Like, it's like really tart. It's not really sweet, it's very tart. And I drink it by itself with some ice, maybe some iced tea with that. Bam. So if you're looking for like a nice something other than water, because normally I only have water, if you're looking for something other than water, I definitely would recommend that, because it ain't got no calories in it. I mean, I feel like I looked it up and it didn't have no calories in it. I could be lying, so do your research. And then I just have, you know, some plasticware, because if y'all watch any of my videos, you know I do not like to wash dishes. So I make sure I get the matching, make it cute. I get the paper, the bowls, and the shit ain't got time to do no dishes. And then I got some toothbrushes, because they was on sale, whoop whoop. And y'all are probably like, girl, why do we need to see this? This has nothing to do with healthy food. I don't know, I just want to share my life with y'all, so be grateful. No, I'm playing. Then I got some Dove soap. And this is the gentle exfoliating. I've never tried this before, but you know, everybody loves a good exfoliator. Then I got some Listerine, because my breath has been a little stank lately. Like you know how your tongue just tastes nasty? Yeah, so that's why I went about a new toothbrush, because I was like, don't nobody want to be around nobody with a funky breath. Well, I don't want to be around nobody with a funky breath, so. And then I got some of these because I'm literally obsessed with these. I have a pack in my car, and I like to keep a pack at home, but I ran out. I just hate like when I go like this and I can't suck through my teeth, like the holes. Like I just have to like literally right now I want to just floss, but I know that's nasty to do that on camera. But I just like to be able to like, y'all need to floss. If y'all don't floss, and then I got some water. Well, this one was just in the car, but I got a whole nother one. Ooh, child, this stuff is heavy. I brought a new one. And then I brought just some regular basic water, so when guests come over, they can have the basic water, you know, because they ain't drinking my Essentia. It costs too much, though. You already know. So, yes, oh, yeah, I'm back to the Essentia. I know I was drinking out the big, like, jug thing, but it's just something about Essentia, the pH balance. Like, I needed that back in my life, because drinking water is good, but that pH water, it just gets your bowels going, and, you know, I love me a good... I'm not gonna be nasty today. I was gonna say I love a good bowel movement, but y'all probably don't need to know that. It's probably TMI. So yes, that was my grocery haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. If it's negative, don't let me know, because I don't care. No, I'm playing. I don't know why I'm acting like a crackhead right now, but yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm actually about to go downstairs in my gym and work out, and I'm about to record that for y'all too. So you about to see this outfit again in another video, because I'm literally about to go record again, because that's how dedicated I am to y'all, and that's how much I want y'all to see my life, and that's how much I want y'all to know that I'm dedicated to this fitness journey. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.